Hey guys, this is Sanjay from High On Tech. Today I'm going to talk about LG's new flagship phone, that is the LG V10. LG has added some cool new features to this phone, setting it apart from the G series. LG has made this phone quite rugged with its stainless steel side rails, a reinforced frame, and a synthetic back cover to enhance its durability. It weighs a hefty 192 grams and is slightly thicker than the latest crop of flagship phones at 8.6 mm, giving it a sturdy look. Like the G3 and the G4, LG has placed the power button and the volume rockers behind the phone. Following the latest trend, LG has integrated a fingerprint scanner in its V10. It features a 5.7-inch IPS Quad HD display with a pixel density of 515 ppi, but that's not it. It also features a 2.1-inch secondary screen above the main display, which acts independently of the main display. Even when the main screen is off, the secondary screen is used to display the time, date notification. It can even be completely turned off. This small screen can be customized by the users to display app shortcuts, music controls and more. The V10 has the same internals as the LG G4, that is the 64-bit Qualcomm Snapdragon 808 chipset, which is an hexa-core processor with the Adreno 418 GPU. This phone comes pre-installed with version 5.1 Lollipop. However, LG says that it'll bring in the Marshmallow update by early 2016. It comes with 4GB RAM and an internal storage of 64GB, which can be expanded through a microSD card. Adjacent to the second screen, there's a dual 5MP camera setup. One of them has a wider field of view. The 16MP camera is the same found on the LG G4 with DSLR-like controls, but the LG V10 also has manual controls for its video as well, like frame rates, focus and aspect ratio. You can also choose which microphone to record your audio with. The V10 comes with a 3000 mAh removable battery with fast charging capability. It can charge up to 50% in about 40 minutes with the included charger. LG has released this phone in 5 different color variants. This was our first impression on the LG V10. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to High On Tech for more tech updates.